take a picture of the rim right here. The rim's got the holes in it. You have a broken one in a couple parts. There is a two just, this is very good that you pointed. Just 2 bolts is here. And God knows where is the rest of it. There is nothing else in here. 1, 2, 3 is missing and 2 broken one. And this is the broken one. Enough boost to just put it on the ACSA try. You need a flatbed actually. Did you tell him that you need a flatbed?
Tell him.
No, he won't need a flatbed because I'm getting the wheel back on. He won't need a flatbed. I'm getting the wheel back on.
I hope they can drive with the 2 bolts and your tire.
They're gonna put it from the front. They're gonna lift it.
Yeah, if they lift them up from the front.